Welcome to the new AASC University. The new learning platform is interactive and streamlined for an improved user experience. Check out the courses menu to view a detailed listing of all AASC University has to offer. The interactive categories list on the courses page allows users to sort courses by series or HUD training categories. Another new feature is the product bundles page. Product bundles are courses curated into collections to target specific training needs with a single purchase. This is one example of how this new platform was designed with you in mind. Now let's check out the Learner Profile menu. Click your name in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to access your profile. The Profile menu holds a lot of information. From here you can launch courses and view course progress in the My Activity tab. You can also view and print certificates from the Certificates tab, including the new transcript export feature. Users can print individual certificates or a customizable transcript that lists training details for a specified time period. Whether you're a brand new service coordinator or a veteran in the field, we can't wait to see what you do in the new AASC University. Thank you for joining us for this brief tour. Have an amazing day.